Every year, millions of men waste hard-earned money on generic pills and creams, hoping to artificially increase their size. The actual biological mechanism to maximize physical dimensions is already built directly into the body, and it costs absolutely nothing. Over-the-counter medications and herbal supplements lack the ability to genetically alter your natural anatomical proportions. Moving beyond surface-level illusions requires a closer look at the internal architecture that defines your actual physical dimensions. Achieving maximum physical size is an anatomical discovery process rather than a chemical shortcut. The first barrier is a simple visual illusion. Dense pubic hair acts like a thick forest growing at the base of a tree, physically obscuring the trunk from view. Trimming or shaving uncovers the hidden portion of the shaft, changing how the proportions appear in a matter of minutes. While grooming offers an immediate visual shift, reaching the body's full structural capacity requires going deeper beneath the skin. If we move past the dermal layer and look at the skeletal foundation of the male pelvis, we find the real anchoring system. This cross-section shows erectile tissue doesn't stop at the surface, extending deep behind the pubic bone. But excess weight builds suprapubic fat directly over this anchor. This fat pad acts like a rising tide, swallowing the base and hiding your actual length. Shedding that body fat reverses this mechanical encroachment, allowing the hidden length to reappear. Losing weight unearths the biological potential buried by lifestyle choices, rather than growing new tissue. Plunging past the dense layers of fat, we enter the microscopic web of nerves and smooth muscles that directly control the pelvic region. Let's take a 10-second biological quiz. Which common hormone actively causes the anatomy to shrink the fastest? Adrenaline is the correct answer. The smooth muscles surrounding the internal erectile tissue are strictly regulated by your adrenaline levels. The evolutionary trap is that the human body cannot distinguish between daily anxiety and a life-threatening predator attack. High stress triggers a chemical alarm, forcing these smooth muscles to aggressively contract, pulling tissue inward. Reducing chronic anxiety cuts this alarm. As adrenaline drops, the muscles release their grip, allowing the tissue to expand back to its uncontracted state. Managing mental health and anxiety is a physiological requirement to stop the nervous system from actively sabotaging physical size. Zooming into the absolute deepest layer of the anatomy, we find the spongy, cavernous cellular structures of the erectile tissue itself. Regular erections are essential biological delivery mechanisms that force life-giving, oxygen-rich blood directly into these deep cellular structures. This brings us to the final, most dangerous saboteur, cellular hypoxia. Infrequent use starves these tissues of vital oxygen. This starvation leads to fibrosis, a process where suffocating elastic tissue dies off and becomes rigid scar tissue. This causes the entire anatomy to permanently lose volume through irreversible structural shortening. Maintaining active sexual health functions as a cellular survival strategy, protecting the tissue from the decay that causes permanent loss. This journey leaves us with two distinct biological paths. You can either ignore your physiology, or you can actively protect it. Allowing weight gain, living in a constant state of chemical panic, and starving cells of oxygen leads to tissue scarring and physical shrinkage. On the other hand, managing body weight, addressing chronic anxiety, and promoting healthy blood flow safeguards the cellular architecture and maximizes natural length. The male body is a perfectly engineered machine. It requires proper biological maintenance rather than chemical upgrades. Stop falling for the scams. Subscribe to learn more biological truths, and click the video on your screen to uncover the science behind stronger erections.